What is a tenant responsibility? Hello and welcome to this important overview of residents' responsibility. It is crucial to understand your obligations to maintain a safe, clean, and comfortable living environment, not just for yourself but everyone in the building. First and foremost, residents are required to keep their rental unit in clean and sanitary condition. This prevents unhealthy condition and ensures the property is in good shape and prevents any molds buildup. Proper disposal of garbage is another key responsibility. Residents must ensure that all waste is disposed correctly, using the provided receptacles to maintain a clean and healthy environment for everyone. Using fixtures properly is also vital. Electrical, plumbing, and gas fixtures must be used as intended. This means avoiding misuse of sink, toilet, and other features that could lead to blockage or damages. Residents must also avoid any intentional or negligent damage of the property. This includes ensuring the guests or pets do not harm to the unit. Taking care of living spaces helps maintain the quality of the property for everyone. Maintaining the premises to prevent health and safety hazard is another critical duty. Simple actions like keeping your space clean can prevent pest infestation and other issues that might arise from poor housekeeping. Respecting the peaceful enjoyment of other tenants is equally important. It is your responsibility to avoid actions that could disturb your neighbors, such as creating excessive noise or causing disturbances. Residents may also be responsible for the minor repairs and maintenance tasks, such as replacing light bulbs, batteries in smoke detectors, or cleaning and changing filters for furnace, air condition, or fridge. These small actions contribute to the overall upkeep of the property. By fulfilling this responsibility, you help ensure that your property remains habitable and in good condition. It is important to remember that failure to meet these obligations can affect your rights as a resident, including your ability to claim that the property is uninhabitable if you contribute to the condition. By working together, we can maintain a safe and comfortable living for everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Have a great day.